Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can add lower thirds in Filmora 12. So first of all, if I go ahead and add some footage to my timeline right here, I'll just go ahead and just choose this one. Once you've got your footage, what you can do, if you want to add a lower third at a specific point of the video, just obviously go wherever you want. So if I just click on it right here, you can then come to the top right hand corner. You can then click on the titles option right there. And then once you click on this, you can obviously use one of these if you want, and you can resize those and reposition those. But there's also an option for, lower thirds right here. Click on the lower thirds option, and then the ones with the little diamond icon are available in a paid subscription. So you will need to pay for those, but there is a lot of free ones below this that you can use free of charge in Filmora 12. So once you've gone ahead and identified the one that you want, so for example, I will just go ahead and choose this one. So first of all, I will have to download it. It will only take a couple of seconds, and then what you can do is you can click and then drag this onto your timeline. Once you do that, you can then double click on it, and then this will allow you to obviously adjust the text. So for me, I will just put in something like tutorial. What you can do then is you can go ahead and then you can resize this. You can also go ahead and reposition this. And you can pretty much do whatever you like. So let's just go ahead and see how this looks. Just really basic and a really quick example. So let's see how this looks. As you can see, it's just that simple to add a lower third to your video on Filmora 12, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.